Hello friend, welcome this session. We will going to create a Jenkins integration between the Jenkins and GitHub. So let's start. So I'm creating the new job over here. Taking the example for the freestyle. So giving the name is demo project. Click OK. It will show the configuration over here, what configuration you need. So let me go to the git configuration. That's a source code configuration. You can click over here also, and I'm choosing the git. I'm just pasting my URL for the git repository. uh, it is not authentic, it's not the authentication between the user and password required, because this is the publicly available repository. If you have the repository private, you have to pass the credential. That will see how to add the credential in different section. So let's move over here, and this my configuration will be cloned, and in the build step I'm just executing the shell and passing the one basic command for the cell. That's a example 1.sh. So what is example 1.sh, that I will show you. So this is my repo over here. That's a shell script repo, and here example 1.sh is the sample shell scripting command. So let's go back, and I want to run this script in specific node. So just choosing node over here. So restrict where this project can be run, and I'm choosing the demo node. This I have added. Okay, so you can take the uh, take the sessions for the how to add node. That's in the I have already created and it's uploaded. How to add the node. So my script will be downloaded over this location, and location would be the Jenkins home, and that's a Jenkins default workspace. So let's go back to the project and let's have a run. So I'm just going the build now. So this is started project, and you can see that this is the my project is started, and this is the first build history. You can see here it will started the cloning of my repository, and at last it will run my script. That's a example1.sh. So this is a completely successfully run, and you can see here, let me go back. Okay, this the mark is the blue, so it's run properly. And the configuration, as I show, it's a very easy configuration. You can select the source code management, pass your repository URL, and run whatever you want to run in the execute shell.